Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a crochet chapstick holder keychain that takes less than 20 minutes and sells super well at markets. Let's get started. First you're going to need a 3.5mm hook and acrylic yarn. I use Red Heart Super Saver. First you're going to start with a magic ring, and in that magic ring you're going to put 5 single crochets. After pulling that magic ring tight, you're going to join the circle with a single crochet. In the next row, you're going to increase in every single stitch around, which means you put 2 single crochets in every stitch all the way around. After increasing, you should have 10 stitches. Then in the next round, you're going to do 1 single crochet in the back loops only, and that's just for this row, back loops only. Then for rows 3 through 11, you're just going to do 1 single crochet around until your chapstick holder is tall enough to fit a chapstick. You can do less rows for a smaller chapstick or more rows for a taller chapstick. Mine is typically up to 11 to 12 rows for a basic chapstick size. Here's what it looks like after 11 rows, and now we're going to attach the keychain. First you're going to chain 1, you're going to turn, and then skipping the chain you're going to do 5 single crochets across. Then for the next row, you're going to chain 1 again, and then you're going to turn, and now you're going to attach the keychain. This is the keychains that I buy. And then I'm going to crochet the keychain into the project. So you just put your needle into the chain like that and also into the stitches, and then you just do a single crochet around it. I do 6 single crochets because it makes it look more even. If you want to do 5, that's okay, but I like to do 6 because it covers the full keychain and the keychain doesn't move around. And then you're all finished. All you need to do is cut the yarn and fasten off, and then weave in your ends. And then at the end you can add a charm if you'd like. I like to add a charm to just add a little bit more pizzazz to it, but that's all you need to do to make your own chapstick holder for your keychain. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments, and if you would like to see any other tutorials, let me know.